Ronnie Oneal has agreed to allow his standby counsel to take over as he faces the death penalty. Just 2 days ago, he was found guilty of murdering his girlfriend and their daughter and attempting to kill his son. ABC Action News reporter Heather Lee has the update from court today.
Kenyatta and Riverview was the light of my life. That was them entirely too early. I miss them dearly, and my life will forever be changed.
Carrie Lloyd, Kenyatta Barron's mother and grandmother to Rondivia, expressed her grief, heartbreak, and sorrow to the jury, telling them she's hanging on to memories, but feels a tremendous hole in her heart after what happened to them. Both of Kenyatta's sisters say they feel the same.
My other kids ask all the time why, and I don't have an answer. The stress and sadness this situation has caused seems never ending.
Desada Barron telling the jury Kenyatta was a great mom who was extremely protective of her kids.
Kenyatta's world revolved around her children. There was not a place in her home you didn't see their photos. And although Nivi could not verbally speak, she would express herself through her attire and her bows. She literally had a different bow a day.
Kenyatta's other sister, Alicia, reading a letter written by her daughter, Kenyatta's niece, Shiona, about her relationship with Rondivia.
I miss holding her, tickling her, and her pretty looks. I miss seeing her.
The state rested their case after those statements, and then the defense began calling folks who know Oneal, attempting to convey him as an uplifting and spiritual person who followed the Nation of Islam and regularly participated in community events with a group called Build Your Community. That group's goal, they say, was to keep young kids from engaging in gun violence.
They went out in the community, helping the community, feeding the community.
The judge asked us not to show Oneal's ex-girlfriend's face as she testified because they have a young child together. She told the jury after Oneal was shot in a random drive-by shooting in 2017. A few months later, his demeanor and behavior began to change. She says after the murders in 2018, she has been sending him pictures and letters in jail.
Would you continue to support him if he was sentenced to life in prison while he was serving his sentence?
Yes.
The defense plans on calling witnesses to talk about sexual abuse they claim Oneal endured by family members when he was just 5 years old, as well as having a mental illness they say was passed down from his father. Testimony will continue Thursday. Heather Lee, ABC Action News.